All right, so today I'm going to show you guys something. A place that you could go eat and you don't spend so much. Just a little amount. But then the food too is really, really good. All right, so like how people always want to spend money and spend and spend and spend and spend and spend and spend. I mean, if you're in Ghana and if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna spend so much just you eating. So there's this nutrition meal that are good food. It's really good. It's made out of beans and we call it gobe. Yay! Gobe, 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 gobe. Dude, it's so funny. Like the amount of protein you do get out of that. And then relevantly, you don't pay so much. You only pay like probably maybe 10 Ghana cedi. And so when you check 10 Ghana cedi in dollars, how much do you think that is? Exactly. That means just $1. Literally $1. You're eating this healthy food. Because if you go to restaurants down here, like restaurant, when you keep going it adds up. When it adds up, it gets a little expensive. So, honestly, this is the spot that I do buy my gobe, that is my yokogari. Some also call it red. So, honestly, I want you guys to see it. It's I don't know if you guys do. I'm going to turn the camera, but yeah. It's good. It's really one of the healthiest foods. So what I do is I do get that and then get the sweet plantain or the sweet or red plantain, we call it, the ripe one. And then I do get some eggs just for extra protein. And then also get if they do have fish, I will get fish too. So in all, you almost spend like less than even $2, because now $1 is almost like 11 Ghana cedi. And so if you do like probably maybe almost like $2, So that's my street vending tips that I do have for you guys. Like when you're gonna buy food, like the protein based food is always good. Because then if you go get rice, jollof, all of that, and the way they cook it too, it's a little bit, sometimes the rice is so dry, like literally dry. So I usually go to these places to get, because you sweating.
Today we went to the street to get a good healthy food. Nothing that we're going to spend that much money. Guys, this is your first time, I'm going to say please do subscribe to the channel and let's go get it. This food is being looked down and it has so much protein base. Let's go get them. If you happen to be in Oyarifa, that is the best spot to get these beans and the red organic oil with fresh plantain, fresh fish, eggs. That is what she's currently doing. She's peeling off the plantain, and usually when I go, it's so funny. This food is so healthy, but the price is so cheap compared to you going to a restaurant and you getting some fried rice that is dry and you can't even eat it. It's too dry. So yes, that is my joint. And people go, why you even buy food in this kind of environment? I'm like, dude, it's healthy. It's very healthy. Look at that red oil. Organic red oil. Organic. You got to know what goes in your system, what goes in your stomach. And that is one thing I'm so happy when I see the local food being on the street like that. So that is it, dude. Save money when you're in Ghana. You got to try the cuisines. These are healthy. They put spice if you want spice. If you want to put they put a little carbs if you want carbs. If you want to eat it with anything, it's so delicious. If you're in Oyarifa, You could check it out if you know Oyarifa. That is the best spot. Yo, she does a great job. She cooked the beans with onions and all healthy. Guys, is this your first time? I'm going to say please again, do subscribe. Let's grow this channel. And this is your man again on the street, bending, tasting good food in Ghana, Oyarifa. Right now, I kind of feel like I'm Oyarifa ambassador. Oyarifa ambassador. Guys, this is all I have. I'm out. Peace.